Hey everyone, Robert Silver here, and today I have an unboxing of the DJI RS3 Mini. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, immediately off top, what I really like about this is how compact and it feels nice in the hand immediately. Feels super lightweight. Definitely, if I'm shooting a wedding, I feel like I can definitely hold on to this for a long time without getting super tired in the forearm, bicep, and shoulder, which I used to have gotten when I used to use my DJI RS Ronin S, the original, and that would get super heavy, and especially on a wrist, holding that with the camera and a lens. This feels good in the hand immediately off top. I really like that. Clearly you have a nice LCD screen here, or LED screen there, and that looks pretty good. Record button very close to your thumb. You can see how close you can get to everything you need. Trigger right here. And then little mode dial right there. So this is how it comes locked into place. And then you could, whoop, there you go. You could easily unlock it right on the side here. Okay, move it, adjusting it for balancing and everything. But, I like how firm that lock feels. That feels pretty good, actually. Then you have several other ones to adjust the balance. So let's see what else is inside the box. Had this little, absolutely nothing. Let's see what's inside this one. Cool. Then you have, oh, okay, so now you have the a plate for the camera itself, which would then slip on right here, and you would just tighten accordingly, etc., to adjust. Okay, there you go. Slip it on, and then you're good to go. Oh, okay, I see. It goes this way. Here, boom. So now it's locked. Until you press this button here, it won't come out. That thing's on there. It's pretty good until you press that. And then you would unlock. Oh, okay, you can unlock here to adjust. Lock there. The locks feel very secure and tight, which I definitely like. To lock that, you just go right here and lock this into place. Okay. So I like how secure it feels in there. There we go. So we have that. Let's see what else comes with. USB for charging the battery. Since the battery is internal, you can't get replacements, but I think the shoot time it says is 12 hours, but I guess we'll find out soon enough. You have a few little screws here to put underneath the plate and then into your camera. So you have a couple right there. And then you have, oh, I think this is the tripod. Boom. Nice little tripod, which actually has some grip on it. And the legs actually have some grip on it too. Right here. And that would just screw right underneath, like so. Cool. And there you go. Now it's right there on the table, like so, or wherever it is. Because I think you can actually program it and move it wirelessly through their app. So that's gonna be dope. I actually want to try that out for sure. And this is the full length when you have the tripod attached to it. the little legs. So even still, that just helps you with a little bit more stability holding it like this. But I think we're gonna have no problem being able to handhold it with just one hand. You have another USB-C to USB-C cable, which I believe, what does this say here? It just says USB to USB-C, but I believe this is how you would connect the gimbal to your camera right here to control the record and some other basic functions. Anything else? Nope, nope, and nope. And there you go. But ultimately, you're getting the gimbal, you're getting the plate, the base plate, you're getting two USB-C, you're getting a USB-C to USB-C and then a USB to a USB-C cable right here for firmware updates, so forth and so on. And you get the two screws here to connect the plate to your actual camera. So far, I can definitely say I'm super excited to have this. Previously, I've only had the DJI Ronin S gimbal, and I didn't use it as much as I would like to because, well, the size, I couldn't really pack it well. It wasn't really super travel friendly, and the weight. So the weight definitely, when you add a basic lens, let's say a 24-70 or something like that, with a basic camera body, it got very heavy real quick, especially for the things I needed for like a wedding or creating content. It just became to the point where I just handheld a lot of my shots, which right there made it absolutely pointless. But I'm super excited with this, plus the features that I've seen. Stay tuned for not only a real world review and seeing what I was able to create using the RS3 Mini. If you would like to see me do more unboxing videos, let me know. If there's a specific product, let me know what that is. If you like to receive more daily content that will help you level up your photography and video production game, come join me on Patreon at patreon.com/RobertSilverPhotography. Don't forget to press that like, share, subscribe, and of course, smash that bell icon to get notifications of my upcoming videos. And until next time, keep shooting, stay creative.